记得点赞关注哦。
Now both kids and elders enjoy fruit, no more fuss. Worried when grandma peels fruit with her teeth? Just twist this peeler a few times. The skin comes off safely and easily. Simple for everyone to use.
记得点赞关注哦。
You'll never save money if you're wasting toothpaste like that. This little thing gets every last drop.
记得点赞关注哦。
All the time, my baby, you on my mind, and I don't know why, yeah, but the feeling is fine. Can't you see, yeah, honey, you are for me.
记得点赞关注哦。 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 So cute.
All the time, my baby, you on my mind, and I don't.
记得点赞关注哦。
All the time, my baby, you on my mind, and I don't know why.
记得点赞关注哦。
Try to pull the gun, me acting shady. What's that supposed to be about, baby? Coffee, I'll be right, stop acting crazy.
Still cracking nuts with your teeth? Try this smart nut cracker. Fast, clean, and effortless.
记得点赞关注哦。